Hello my friends, here's Carrie from HD Genius. Now I will introduce you this KVM extender. Now we have two KVM extender here. This unit is the 200 meters KVM extender. And this one is the 300 meters KVM extender. With the extender, we can extend the HDMI signal up to 200 meters or 300 meters. Now I will show you clearly this KVM extender. Now I will show you its housing. Here is the VGA input. This is the data interface and for the power supply. Here we have a local output, VGA output here for the local monitor. And here the NAND cable interface. This is the receiver. Here is the VGA output. Here we have two USB ports here, one for the keyboard and one for the mouse. And here is the network cable interface. And as I just mentioned, this one is the 300 meters KVM extender. Now you can see a little difference here. The interface for the mouse and the keyboard is another version. Now I will show you the performance and the image quality of this 300 meters KVM extender. Now you can see on the HDTV, the signal is it's real-time transmission, and the image quality is very stable and high definition. If you want to know more information about our KVM extender or other connectivity products, please go to our website hdgenius.com. Thank you for watching.